Why are you here at Amazon Fashion Hub?
I'm gonna order you lipstick.
Let's go.
Block heels?
Let's keep it vibrant. I want this person to have a little bit of my edge. Rakhi Sawant, I follow for fashion style. You're up for very tough competition.
हेलो जी बेटा जी, बहुत ही अतरंगी अद्भुत शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है आज।
यार काफी टाइम से बैठा हूँ यार, कोई तो बता दो कौन है। I mean, I'm just asking straight. I hope I'm allowed to.
Amazon, have to say you've got me really hooked. You know, even if somebody's shopping for my characters, I'm still in control like a true blue Virgo. I'm like, yes, no. Or I'm shopping for someone else. I know exactly what they want. I always do my research. पर आज एक mystery shopper होने वाला है.
The परिणीति, विद्या.
I'm supposed to shop for them. They're supposed to shop for me. I don't even know who they are. And कहाँ है ये mystery shopper?
अच्छा wait. Mystery shopper profile.
इधर ही बैठे हैं. But I have to know the mystery shopper. ना, I can't do a bad assignment. I'll just quickly say hi to them.
No, you can't.
Oh, you can say hi to them. Of course you can.
Kusha, behave yourself.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, so Hamai Mohtarma, who is a question mark right now. So I'll just say question mark is looking very beautiful right now.
कौन है ये? जिसको मुझे guess करना है? Who is he? Colorful, bold choices, very stylish, very suave. Leather jacket. Again, this person doesn't really need. Okay, fine. Okay, let's read this. A look that defines me best is kurta and denim. Very nukkad natak vibe. He's saying that. मेरे ex-boyfriend को तो नहीं ले आए हो आप लोग. Maybe it's an actor.
Definitely an actor. Ada hai. Oh, okay. We've got a hint. My go-to look would be a nice wrap dress with a fab pair of heels. I just said wrap.
One thing I never leave home without is a watch. I don't see the watch. There is no watch because time किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता और मैं भी. Deep. काफी गहराई है इस इंसान में.
पहली बार जा रहा हूँ, मिल रहा हूँ. I have to not go empty-handed. खाली हाथ नहीं जाना चाहिए.
I think I've cracked it. इनका नाम G से शुरू होता है.
If I were a dress, beauty product or an accessory, I would be a bag. हैं? चलो Amazon पे check करते हैं. Ooh, so I'm adding this to my cart.
I am just going to pick a very colorful tie for him because I saw a lot of color in his pictures and let's make it like fun and edgy. This one. I'm sure he will like this.
You know what? We're just going to jump into it because I'm really excited to meet my mystery shopper and I'm her mystery shopper.
मेरा शक यकीन में बदलता जा रहा है. It's happening.
धीरे-धीरे आओ. I think
together.
No, wait.
I know who you are.
उधर घूम जाओ.
उधर किधर? इस
Just
तरफ?
put your back this side.
I'm tracking you.
Okay.
Am I supposed to track you?
Yeah, just like.
Are we just
Where are
going to
you?
keep walking like this?
Just okay.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3. Go!
Oh my God. I told you it's someone whose name starts with G.
G. Abey, my name is Ali Fazal, by the way. So.
अरे गुड्डू भैया यार, of course. Oh my God, hi. You're even more handsome at first. This is.
So sweet, yeah. Listen, I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
ऐसे हो गया मतलब.
I'm a fan.
She did the voice. She did the voice.
No, I am a fan. Okay, I am. Okay, I'm fully. I think I won't be able to say anything.
Okay, you should. I'm a fan. I did not expect it would be you, but I follow you.
Oh, I was hoping. I think I manifested you, so I'm
Oh my
just
God.
so happy. This is crazy.
Just listen, you beautiful girl. I'm going to be chivalrous, so and not stand here empty-handed. This is amazing. I'm doing this after ages. Why don't you just come along before I show you your?
Okay, done. Like I'm meeting Ali and I'm getting a gift. This is the best day of my life. I cannot believe I'm meeting you. I knew I'm going to meet you one day, but I didn't know it's going to be on Amazon Fashion Hub.
So anyway, मैं तुम्हारे लिए दो गिफ्ट्स लाया हूँ.
दो.
हाँ.
Nice.
हाँ.
लाओ?
तो नहीं लाया हूँ. I mean.
अच्छा. हाँ मतलब दो.
So.
दो क्यों? एक की बात हुई थी अंदर.
एक था, एक पे बोनस.
बोनस.
हाँ, I've done मिर्जापुर. ये लोग मुझे फ्री देते हैं.
फ्री देते हैं सब कुछ. हाँ. ये भी मेरा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा. ये एक्चुअली आपका गिफ्ट है. Yes, I got it for you.
मैं बतिया रहा हूँ बहुत टाइम है इसलिए मैं मजाक कर रहा था. That's really sweet.
Nice improv you did there, हाँ?
है ना? ऐसा बनाया मैंने
दो
कुछ.
ऐसे.
Scene.
Very nice. So,
खोले?
हाँ खोलते हैं? Okay. Really sweet. You got me a bag.
Oh my God. We call it Bagwati.
Bagwati. Very
Yes.
original. कहाँ से सोचा आप? It's quite edgy, no?
Very psychedelic.
Yeah, I saw a lot of color in your pictures. So I saw that if I want to do something formal for you, I want it to be slightly edgy. But why are you here at Amazon Fashion Hub?
Oh, I'm here for a date, not a blind one.
Of course, we all know that. And do you know that who's dressing you up for that not so blind date?
I don't know. Yes, thank you, Kusha.
Not that I have any styling experience, but I can look good. सही लगती हूँ मैं.
You look beautiful, यार.
Thank you. As to you.
I know. Also, ऐसे मतलब ऐसे घर में बैठ के तो लगता है कि कोई भी beautiful लगेगा. But I know. Thank you.
Looking quite nice. आपने अभी बोला था कि आप कुर्ता जीन्स अपने सिर्फ नजदीकी लोगों के साथ पहनते हैं. So what's the story there? यूनिवर्सिटी में नुक्कड़ नाटक करते थे.
नहीं यार, लखनऊ का हूँ. थोड़ा तो मतलब ऐसा माहौल जमता है यार.
माहौल तो आपने जमा लिया, रोडों पे भी आग लगा दी. I think we should start. I'm here on Amazon and let's go. I'm thinking dinner jacket, like a suit, something tailored that gives you even more length.
Jacket's got to be tailored, यार. I mean, yeah, of course.
Has to be.
Totally.
Jackets जाते हैं. और
Can I
अच्छे
see?
brands हैं, of course. There's Anthony Morato.
Oh yeah, I'd pick that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice, no? I think आप crop jacket carry कर सकते हो बहुत easily.
I don't know.
Yeah, you can. This is actually इसमें जो construction lines जा रही हैं, especially around the lapel.
हैं?
हाँ.
You know how I can tell कि तुम्हें भी पहला वाला पसंद आया था. तुम अब
पहला वाला.
हाँ सब मत बेचो मुझे.
नहीं, इसको final करें.
It's up to you. You're dressing me up. I don't know.
Okay, I've
जो भी
made my
होगा.
selection. I'm adding this to cart. I've made a
तुम Amazon Fashion Hub पे क्यों आई हो?
नवरात्रि फैमिली गैदरिंग के लिए. अपने काम की वजह से मैं किसी भी इवेंट पे नहीं जा पाती हूँ. मैं रक्षाबंधन भी मिस कर दिया था इस साल.
You're in good hand. Don't worry.
उठाओ इसको फिर.
हाँ okay दो. Women.
Great start.
Listen, I'm gonna get this bang on. Okay, so
चलो.
lock heels.
Comfortable रहेगा ना?
Comfortable?
हाँ.
नहीं. हाँ. Maybe. House of Masaba. Interesting. I
House
didn't know
of-
Masaba was on Amazon.
That's the same thing. मुझे भी नहीं पता था it's on Amazon.
Whatever. It's added to cart now. So many varieties. It's actually fun to shop.
It is very, very easy. And you know what? I'm feeling like super energized right now.
है?
Yeah.
तो उठक बैठक करो. क्योंकि मैं ये फ्लोर नापना चाह रहा हूँ.
Let's get
बड़ी
up.
देर से मेरा घर इतना.
I know. I'm बहुत देर से बैठे हुए हैं. Let's walk. I'll feel like कि मैंने romantic walk कर लिया आपके साथ.
Baby steps. Baby steps.
Baby steps to what?
Okay, listen. Fun and games aside. Serious question. I mean, you're a NIFT graduate. Moved on to being an influencer. Was showbiz always a plan?
No. इसका शॉर्ट आंसर अगर मेरी मॉम देती कहती कि उषा की कुंडली में तो हमेशा से ही था, ये होना ही था. बट इसका लॉन्ग आंसर ये है कि किसी को एक दिन लगा कि मुझे कैमरा के सामने होना चाहिए. एंड देन आई हैव नेवर लुक्ड बैक. एक बार मेरी आईब्रोज पे 350 कमेंट्स आए थे और लोग लड़ रहे थे आपस. ऑलमोस्ट लाइक बाहों पे भौकाल. इट वाज लाइक दैट. मैंने फोकस किया ऑन ऑल द लव दैट आई वाज गेटिंग, ऑल द एडुलेशन दैट आई वाज गेटिंग. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मुझे 28 साल की उम्र में ये मौका मिला अपनी लाइफ चेंज करने का. एंड आई वुडंट वांट इट एनी अदर वे.
We wouldn't have it any other way. There would be a void if you were not here.
What is your style statement like? What is that supposed to mean, Guddu?
It's not something I wear every morning, you know.
Oh my god.
I mean, I was really influenced by. मतलब मुझे ब्रांडो का स्टाइल बहुत पसंद था.
Brando?
हाँ मतलब फिर वो it goes to like old Hollywood school. दिलीप साहब का भी एक वो है, but
हाँ.
those are attitudes I think that I really like. अब वो attitude पे तुम कुछ भी पहना दो and they would look great.
पूरा आइडिया आ रहा है मुझे इससे
है?
कुछ. हाँ करते हैं.
क्या
कुछ
करते
एक
हैं?
डांस थोड़ी ना करने आए हम यहाँ पर.
तो पेडेस्टल पे क्यों जा रही हो?
आओ ना. Okay, let's go. So I have already picked a jacket for you. Footwear.
चप्पल.
चप्पल तो नहीं हो रही है. You're going for a date night. Okay, stop it.
पता नहीं यार. पॉश लोग बहुत हैं बम्बई में.
We already know कि you want 70s style, which means कि हम आपको वो स्टाइल नहीं देंगे. आपको सनग्लासेस का बहुत शौक है ना?
काम करो तुम ही पहन लो. इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है?
अरे आप इतनी बड़ी हस्ती हैं, आपको स्टाइल करने के लिए वक्त तो लगेगा. I think we are done here.
Really? Can I
Yeah.
look? Okay. Oh, wait.
I'm not showing you your look yet.
Okay, fine. Let me have a go at it.
Okay.
हाँ तो जाओ घूमो
fine.
मतलब.
Fine, घूम ली मैं.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Jewelry?
Jewelry कर रहे थे हम बिल्कुल.
Don't look यार.
नहीं, अरे वो मेरा लुक कहीं और है.
No. Oh. Okay, adding to cart.
बट अली, आपने कभी अपनी लाइफ में किसी वुमन के लिए कुछ पिक किया है इन क्लोथ्स, इन एक्सेसरीज?
I'm a romantic. मतलब ये चीजें मैं oh nice, this is nice. Do you like that brand?
That's not for me to decide. अगर आपको पसंद है
तुम
तो
ना
मुझे
बोल भी नहीं
पसंद
सकती
है.
हो, तुम Amazon के घर में हो. Adding to cart.
At this point, I'm talking for walls. Is your selection done?
Yeah, it's done. You can look.
तो वाह.
काफी शॉपिंग हो गई है.
काफी सारी देख
And
रही हूँ
I'm
मैं.
tired. थोड़ा सा कॉफी पीते हैं, ठीक है?
गर्मा गर्म कॉफी, गर्मा गर्म बातें. You're a coffee lover, clearly. दिख रहा है.
Like coffee.
I love coffee. Short answer.
Okay. What secrets? Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
fine.
an open book. So
तो आपने अपने significant other को कभी बताया है कि they're not looking nice?
I think she and I have an interesting relationship. So maybe once or twice I might have. I think we were trying to match something. So you know, the costumes and stuff.
Next question. This was supposed to be a rapid situation, rapid fire.
Rapid.
Okay, another question. An actor जिसका wardrobe उनको discard कर देना चाहिए and they should be gifted a new wardrobe. Hey, you're just fishing for compliments now, Ali.
Name 2 celebrities that you would follow for their like fashion style, and 2 celebrities you would totally unfollow like from your social media.
Rakhi Sawant I follow for fashion style.
Okay, that's amazing.
I think she just
Good.
kills it. She's just like
Amazing.
that woman,
Yeah, no, totally.
And,
And the Spider-Man gig was like insane.
insane.
Thanks.
And
Nice.
second person, you have to say Ranveer Singh because look at the kind of boundaries he pushes.
Good one. I like
Thank you.
I like.
सोच के आई थी मैं.
2 celebrities you would unfollow like as a reject.
No, not really. I wouldn't like unfollow somebody
Chal
for their
jhoti.
style.
3 things in your purse that you're totally embarrassed of.
I never carry cash and I always land in problem because of that. I don't carry a pepper spray, which I should and I must. And third, I don't carry medicine. And I'm embarrassed that as a grown up, मैं अभी भी ये चीजें नहीं carry करती.
So what are the most useless things in your bag?
Plane tickets. I don't throw them. Boarding passes.
Yeah.
What is wrong with me? For a tricky question, but an actor who you think would make chappal and jeans या pajame वाला look like couture,
I think Aditya Roy.
and somebody who can make couture look like yeah,
I mean, like Pankaj Tripathi would make it look like
him,
blah.
like him.
But that would be a direction from the direction team.
Yeah.
So therefore it would be perfect.
Because he's such a method actor. क्या
Yeah.
जवाब दिया?
है ना?
एक fashion trend that you really liked and wanted to sort of try it on your own.
I don't know. I'm obsessed with like lots of jewelry.
दिल में ना core में आप एक fashion kid हो. You want to try different things and edgy things.
Pick one actor for each. Right? Oh my God. I so want to be you.
Vidya Balan.
Wow.
हाँ.
Good one.
Entertainment.
At least you're good looking. Like who would that be for you?
मुझसे आप you tell me. मेरे से क्या पूछ रहे हैं? मैं तो सीधी सादी वीडियोस बनाती हूँ इंटरनेट पे. मैं ऐसे सवालों के जवाब मैं कैसे दे सकती हूँ? कैसे बातें कर रहे हो?
God.
मुझे असमंजस में ना डाले.
I secretly stalk you.
That would be my ex-boyfriends.
Eh?
हाँ.
You stalk all your exes?
हाँ.
Like
ऐसे ही देखती हूँ कि खुश हैं मेरे बिना कि नहीं.
ना अच्छा नहीं होने
नहीं
चाहिए
होने
मतलब
चाहिए.
बिल्कुल
नहीं ऐसे इतनी भी evil नहीं हूँ मैं कि ठीक है खुश हैं ठीक है मैं भी हूँ. खुशी तो ऐसे सबकी लाइफ में आ जाती है ऐसा कुछ नहीं. You're bringing this side out of me, sir.
One more question. What's the most expensive thing in your closet?
My iPhone actually.
I heard.
मैं सारे रील्स उसमें शूट करती हूँ.
अबे ये प्लग इन मोमेंट था.
कैसे?
यहाँ बोलती ना Amazon goods.
Amazon goods बोलना था यहाँ पे.
कुछ भी बोल देती.
वो
-5.
वो एक्सपेंसिव नहीं होगा because Amazon पे आपको डील्स मिलते हैं.
What is that one fashion trend that you at first dissed, but when you tried it, you actually loved it?
I think 10 years ago, red lipstick. It was all the rage. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि there are these only party girls जो red lipstick लगाती हैं. बहुत ऐसे internalized misogyny थी कहीं ना कहीं. Until I realized that I also wanted to do the same things.
I'm gonna order you lipstick.
मतलब हमारे भी दिन आ गए हैं ऐसे. अली फजल हमारे लिए लिपस्टिक ऑर्डर कर
नहीं यार ये इतना कूल है. मैं फोन निकाल सकता हूँ, ऑर्डर कर सकता हूँ और just ऐसे things happen.
काफी वन अपिंग हो रही है यहाँ पर. So I also have a few last minute additions for you that will really help me.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's go. Let's change. And let's see the looks we pick for each other. And देखते हैं कि हमारा तालमेल बैठता है कि नहीं.
Yes.
अरे कोई संभालो इन्हें. Who do you think has done better?
Some of me is on that side also.
I have a feeling I've done a fantastic job.
Let's
Fail कर
see
दिया मैंने.
what I've done. I think I'm pretty confident. So, okay, 1, 2, 3.
You look so nice.
I know. Thank you.
हाँ, मैं काला टिक्का लगा दूँ एक skin से.
Thank you.
क्या मतलब रोमांटिक डिनर के लिए तैयार है.
Thank you again.
It's amazing.
Thank you again.
मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट अच्छा नहीं दे लो आप.
You're looking amazing. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I was
अपने
messing.
पास रख अपना
I was
compliment.
messing, man. Are you kidding me? मैं अपने आप को compliment ना दूँ?
Yeah. How is it? See
I think it's amazing.
the ring, the earring, choker.
How do you like it?
I feel like very
से मैं चलता हूँ.
and I can't believe you found all of this.
Yeah.
Like the ring, the earrings, the choker, this beautiful masaba lehenga on Amazon.
भाई इतनी रिसर्च तो मैंने भी नहीं की थी. मैंने ऐप देख रहा था, Amazon को स्वाइप कर रहा था, कुछ ब्यूटीफुल निकला और फिर तुम ब्यूटीफुल थी.
Yeah.
दोनों मिले और बन गया. एक do one more मौसी ना, बिल्ली मौसी. Yeah. Guys,
I'm doing good.
it's a cut.
Come back.